Did you know that in some countries, they put the day before the month on any date instead of the month before the day? So let me show you how you can customize the date format in Excel or Google Sheets as part of Part 12 of Back to School Bootcamp for Spreadsheets. In Excel, you're going to highlight the cells that you want to format, then right-click, go into Format Cells, and pick Date from the list. In Google Sheets, you're also going to highlight the cells that you want to change the format to, and then go into Format, Number, and then select Date. Depending on the language that you have set up on your Excel or Google Sheets, the default is going to be based on the country of that language. Now you can also create a custom date format. To do that in Excel, you're going to right-click, Format Cells, and then go into Custom on the list instead of Date. If you need to know what placeholders to use, I put a list of them on my website under the page of Part 12 for Bootcamp for Spreadsheets. In Google Sheets, it's actually a lot easier to do a custom date. You're going to select the cells you want to change the format for, and then you're going to go under Format, Number, Custom Date and Time. And you can just select any of the pre-selected in there and then add and remove if you want to. And don't forget to follow me for more tips on how to use Excel or Google Sheets.